French automobile major Renault has announced the start of its brand new design center in India. The facility located in Chennai will be the company's largest design center outside of Europe, and it's being launched with the intention of bringing Renault's design teams in close proximity to its engineering and manufacturing right here in Chennai.
See, it's a strong belief of Renault globally that India is third largest today and it will continue to grow. It's poised to grow at a much faster pace than the rest of the world. Today we are at 4.3 million TIV, the total industry volume, and we are expected to go to 10 million very soon. But it will take a couple of steps, like you go to 6 and then 8. And in my opinion, by 2030, we should be sitting at 6 plus. And then maybe 2032, we should be hovering around 8 plus. And for which you need to have a full OEM structure in a market to play that game. And we have a plant capacity of 480,000.
Yes.
We need to fill those volumes. And in order to fill the volumes, then you need to have the speed of launches. And the speed of launches starts with design. Design, engineering, homologation, localization, and the manufacturing, and then the sales. This whole cycle normally in the olden days, I would call it as, would take about 3 to 4 years. Today we are targeting anything less than 100 weeks. So that's the target which we have. So we have to compress the timing as much as possible on the launch schedule. And the best way is to have a very close interaction between the design, engineering, manufacturing, and all the three together. On a very close interaction, you can reduce the speed substantially, thereby bringing the products to the market on time.
And that's where this 32-member design facility comes into the picture. Set up within Renault's existing R&D unit in Chennai, the company's design center will see Renault leverage its Indian talent pool to ensure design efficiency, helping conceptualize cars for both India and Renault's global markets. The timing of the opening is rather crucial, especially as it comes just ahead of Renault's plans to launch 5 products over the next 2 years. Cars that will now be designed, engineered, and made in India, or more specifically in Chennai. This includes the French automakers B Plus and C segment SUVs, all of which will be conceptualized at the company's new design center.
Go for 5 products for sure, which will have B plus SUV and C SUV. Till now we are playing in the sub 4 meter. Now we'll start playing above 4 meters, which is 4.3 and 4.6 meter segment as well. And that's by size. By money we are playing sub 10 lakhs. Now we will be playing double the size of the ticket on the revenue side. So this is all I can give you at this point of time, which means that my playground is becoming wider, 2 times higher, and playing the full SUV segment game in the market. And we are ready to go on that direction, and we are all set to go today. And everything has been designed, engineered, manufactured, and ready to go for India, for Indian customers, to their needs, tastes, and their aspirations with a full novelty.
Just weeks ago, Renault announced the acquisition of Nissan's 51% stake in the Renault-Nissan alliance in India, a move that is widely perceived to give the French automaker a whole lot more control and autonomy over the products that will roll out of its Indian stables. More significantly, management has said the impending acquisition, set to be completed in 2 months, could help Renault achieve its long-awaited capacity maximization at its Chennai plant.
Well, let me tell you that this is a project for acquisition. It's still ongoing and we have not completed. It will take a couple of months or 3. So that depends upon how the activity or actions take place. The whole endeavor, whoever have a plant, the endeavor is to fill the plant so that you become economical. No matter who owns the plant, everybody's endeavor is this. Now, having Renault taking over with a lot of confidence, with a lot of planning for the future on the product portfolio and the market, and the confidence level which we are exhibiting to the Indian customer, we are very absolutely upright in saying that yes, we will bring the plant to very, very strong peak operational levels. And a lot of efficiencies will also be inside that, which makes the vehicle competitive, and we can run in the competitive market of India. But yeah, we are seeing in steps. Obviously, these 5 vehicles which we plan or we are talking about to be launched, that will definitely enhance it by 50%. And then we have to take it to the next steps with the new product launches, which we will announce as the time comes.
So a timeline of close to 2 years, I'm guessing, given the fact...
My best bet before 2030, I should be full operational.
For the moment, however, Renault will focus on improving its 2% market share in India and launching an EV product for the market. This even as the automaker projects India's EV passenger ecosystem to account for 10 to 12% of total passenger vehicles in the next 5 to 7 years.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC-TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.